Good day, future art creams. Ito pala yung Q&A flashcards natin for evidence. Ngayon, ito naman ang sagutin natin. What is the doctrine of interlocking confessions? The doctrine of interlocking confessions states that extrajudicial confessions independently made without collusion, which are identical with each other in their essential details and corroborated by other evidence against the persons implicated, are admissible to show the probability of the latter's actual participation in the commission of the crime. Sa video natin discussing extrajudicial confession, sinabi natin doon na pag yung confession ay extrajudicial, hindi ito binding sa ibang tao. Ang exception po dito ay itong interlocking confession. Let us illustrate this doctrine. Juan, Jose, and Pedro are suspects for robbing the house of Maria. During custodial investigation, they were examined separately. Sa magkakaibang room sila question. Si Juan, Jose at Pedro ay pare-parehas ang sinabi. Sinabi nila na sila ang nagnakaw pero si Mang Canor ang mastermind. May isang witness din na nagsabing during the robbery, nakita niya si Mang Canor sa labas ng bahay ni Maria na parang aligaga at patingin-tingin sa paligid. Yung confessions nila Juan, Jose at Pedro ay binding kay Mang Canor by virtue of this doctrine of interlocking confession.